Hello there, today we're going to take a look at a Specht Sohne Homage watch. This is the Homage of the Patek Philippe Aquanaut watch. I ordered it in the middle of April. It took around exactly 1 week, it got to me. So delivery was very quick. Cost £41 from AliExpress. Link in description is in the link below. So do check out the description for the affiliate link. And I bought it because this beautiful orange strap, nice summery watch. Summer is coming to the UK and London, and I thought, nice opportunity, get a nice orange strap. Nice quartz watch, don't have to worry about winding it every day as well. Ticks quite beautifully. We all know it's not a Patek Philippe, but there goes the watch with my orange t-shirt on. I deliberately matched it with my orange t-shirt on one of the days going into work, and it works pretty well. I think the colours. And what do you guys think? Do leave comments below to let me know what you think of this particular look of this watch. For another £20 actually, you can get a Miyota 8125 watch instead of the same look. And Aquanaut Homage basically, and it also comes with a sapphire glass, but the only problem with that is that it doesn't come in this orange strap, and I really wanted this orange strap. That's why I settled for the cheaper £40 version of the quartz watch. So yeah, I mean, well polished sides, can't really fault it too much, for £40. Nice looking watch. This is on my 7-inch wrist. Is that a good summer watch? What do you guys think? Let's take a closer look. I mean, the stopwatch there, the Chronograph stopwatch works quite well. You see it ticking away at the 6 o'clock sub-dial. Then you can stop it and reset it. Nice polish all around. The biggest problem I had was with this strap. You can see it's a little bit it's not easy to buckle it in. You really need to apply pressure. So you struggle a little bit to push it in. So you do need to put a lot of pressure, align it properly to put it in place. So the clasp itself is not very good. It could be better. But there's nice polish to the clasp. So, but you can see, it's not that easy to put on. It's just not very well done. But it is what it is. Can't really complain too much. It looks nice. As long as you put it on, it looks quite nice. The other hardest problem I had was actually getting the strap done properly. But we'll come to that later. Let's first take some measurements of this watch. So 42mm diameter, lug to lug of 52mm, and thickness of 12mm. It's bigger than it looks, compared to some other watches. It doesn't feel like it's a 42mm watch, but it is. It weighs quite light at 89 grams. For a nice Homage watch. As I mentioned, the hardest part I had was getting this strap cut. You have to cut each tile to get it right. As I mentioned, I do have a 7-inch wrist, and I settled for about 7.5 tiles here. You see 7 tiles, and then that last tile where the clasp is, you got to cut about half of it in order to get that pin in. That pin was quite a pain to do. Take a closer look. Now the loom is pretty good as well. Can't really fault it too much. You can see there, nice and bright loom. It certainly punches above his weight. Who would have thought this would be something like a £40 watch, because it does look quite nice. It does have that Patek look to it. Not that many people probably know what Patek looks like probably in general population, but it is quite a nice looking watch. Nice polish all around the edges, as I mentioned. The glass here, I do believe, is a mineral glass. It's not the sapphire glass. Obviously, that you pay another £20, you get the sapphire glass version with the Miyota movement. This is the cheaper version, but just because I like this orange strap, that's why I went for this particular version. Water resistance is 50 meters, which is not so bad. I mean, it's good enough to have a shower, but I wouldn't take it for a swim personally. If you do like what you see, as I said, do leave comments below. Let me know what you think of this Patek Homage. Do you like it? Do you think it's cheap? What do you think? Love to interact with you. And as always, if you like this video and want to see more, please do give me a like and subscribe. Hope to give you more content like this in the future. Nice looking watch. My camera phone is always having trouble focusing on that dial. When these dark colored dials, especially with the glass, it's not so easy to focus with my phone. I do certainly need an upgrade on my phone. But otherwise, pretty sharp watch. As mentioned, costs only £40. Takes around a week to deliver on AliExpress. Link in the description below. Not much else to say about this watch really. So as I said, the battery should probably last 3 years or so, give or take. I'll probably wear it here and there, summer days. Not sure how long I hold on to it, but it looks pretty good. Might probably give it to my son afterwards as well. So let me know what you think. Leave comments below in the section below, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.